Hello everyone! You have probably been wondering what we are up to with Cryptoucan. Some of you have questioned whether it is just a concept or a real product. And who the hell are those people at Trustica company? No more questions. Today, we will show you the first unit shipped from the factory for final testing. The printed circuit board and soldering of all electronic components was already done on a batch production line, and now we have also perfected the epoxy casting process. So without further ado, prepare to see a real Cryptoucan. The ultimate cryptographic token that protects your private keys without any compromise. It's got a monolith body that is quite tamper-proof and definitely tamper-evident. A simple LED signaling is used, which prevents attackers from reading what would be on an unshielded raster display. It is resistant against timing attacks and side-channel information leakage through power consumption variations. The key is yours, but even you can't export it. Yet you can easily use it if you know the right pin. And of course, you can easily configure it if you know the correct administrative pin. There are no proprietary elements and therefore there are no backdoors. It is standards compliant, and it's up to you if you use it only for email signing and encryption, or also for authentication, like you would normally use any other smart card. But the best thing is, you get all this advanced security in a convenient package that looks really sleek. Put it on your keys or take it with you in your pocket. It's got a very convenient form factor. Do you see? It's not just a concept, and we are neither startup nor dot-com bubble company from the 90s. This is a real product, and we are real cryptographers with 2 decades of experience. This is Cryptoucan, and we are Trustica. So subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter. We want to bring the secure future to your company, to your home, and into your life. Thank you for watching.